Welcome to NFU, Nature Fury Unleashed YouTube channel. Get ready to witness the fury of nature. We will bring you face to face with nature's most extreme disasters. We showcase the raw, untamed power that shapes our planet. Stay connected with us by subscribing and experience the fury firsthand. Nature Fury Unleashed is where wrath of nature and you won't believe your eyes. Because from devastating storms, tropical storm, hurricanes, typhoons, cyclone to violent tornadoes, uncontrollable floods, destructive earthquakes, massive landslide, and unpredictable weather events, whether you're fascinated by extreme weather, love thrilling visuals, or want to learn more about these incredible natural forces, you've come to the right place. Right now, viewer, are you ready to see the wrath of nature? Okay, then let's get started.
A violent tornado ripped through Ayamonte, Huelva, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Shocking home security footage captured the moment powerful winds flipped a car over and tore down a wall in an instant. The deadly twister, which also struck Isla Cristina, wreaked havoc across the region, damaging more than 30 homes. Trees and branches blocked roads, trapping terrified residents inside their houses. Locals described scenes of chaos as the tornado tore through the streets, hurling debris and toppling structures. Emergency crews rushed to assist those affected, working to clear fallen trees and assess the extensive damage. The rare and violent storm left many in shock as its sheer force reshaped parts of the coastal town in seconds. Authorities are now assessing the full scale of the destruction as residents begin the daunting task of recovery. A shocking scene unfolds as a massive section of PR 323 crumbles near the Haven store in Umuarama, Brazil. A massive landslide struck Wuping County, Fujian Province, China, instantly burying cars under debris. Rescue teams rushed to the scene, working urgently to clear rubble and search for survivors amid the devastation. Historic flooding as the Uruguay River overflows, submerging Barra de Rio Azul on the RSSC border. Homes and roads are underwater, forcing evacuations as residents face rising waters and devastation.
Gente do céu, temos mal pegado aqui, hein?
A inteira. Agora não tem, tá bom. Lá.
Tá arrancando.
Meu Deus.
Vem cá. Tudo embora.
Flooding from the rising Rio Branco in Mato Grosso washed away a bridge severing communications. Residents face isolation as authorities assess damage and work to restore access to affected areas. One of the worst floods in Valencia in recent memory has submerged streets, washed away vehicles, and caused widespread devastation. The flood disaster in Ladexdro, Poland was the worst in 100 years. Torrential rains triggered devastating floods, destroying homes and infrastructure. Residents faced immense losses as rescue efforts unfolded amid the catastrophe. Along a once stable road, a terrifying scene unfolded as the ground beneath it slowly crumbled. Cracks widened, the pavement gave way, and a sense of impending disaster gripped those nearby. Amid the chaos, a man on the other side shouted desperately, warning others to retreat before it was too late. Though the road has since vanished, dramatic footage captures a massive landslide in Mabuyane, Sichuan, sending shockwaves through the region as earth and debris tumble down, spreading panic among residents.
Oh my god! Nobody should get close to it!
A massive sinkhole swallowed a parked car in Virginia on July 4th, completely engulfing it in seconds. Meanwhile, a large sinkhole on Joppa RD near Walther Boulevard in Parkville startled residents with rushing water at 2 a.m. In the La Libertad region of Peru, the Chicama River once turned a routine journey into a dramatic rescue. A bus caught in the river's powerful currents was swept away, leaving passengers in a life-threatening situation. Thanks to the heroic efforts of police and emergency responders, everyone was rescued safely. Though time has passed, the site serves as a sobering reminder of nature's unpredictability, especially during the rainy season. Travellers can visit the area to witness the river's force and reflect on the bravery that saved lives, a testament to both human resilience and the power of Peru's landscapes. The road between Quibdó and Medellin, once a vital link through Colombia's rugged terrain, became the site of a terrifying mudslide captured on camera. Along the scenic yet unpredictable Pacific Coast Highway south of Malibu, a terrifying moment once unfolded. A vehicle, caught in a fast-moving mud flow, was swept off the road and into the Pacific Ocean. The driver, a Los Angeles Fire Department member, miraculously escaped after the car came to a halt, suffering only minor injuries.
Are you okay? Jump forward, jump forward. Did you get swept across just now?
While the coastline has since returned to its natural beauty, the event remains a haunting reminder of nature's raw power. Travellers passing through this stretch can reflect on the resilience of those who faced the disaster and the ever-changing forces shaping this breathtaking coastal highway. Moving on, let's explore another event that caught everyone's attention. Myanmar jade mine disaster captured from a different angle. Multiple landslides triggered massive waves engulfing everything in their path. The sheer force is unbelievable, hoping for the survival of those caught in the chaos. In contrast to the previous scene, this next moment unveils a whole new level of intensity. Experience the unforgettable aftermath of nature's fury at Jeddah's King Abdulaziz International Airport. where a powerful storm once swept through, delaying flights and damaging aircraft. Imagine the chaos as fierce winds hurled luggage containers across the tarmac.
Shit. Shit.
While torrential rain and hail battered the city. In Mecca and Medina, streets turned into rivers, stranding vehicles and prompting dramatic rescue efforts. Though the storm has passed, its impact remains a testament to the region's resilience. Discover the stories of survival and response in a place where the forces of nature once challenged even the most well-prepared.
Oh! 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 Shit! 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 Shit!
A powerful 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck 209 km SSW of Georgetown, Cayman Islands on February 8, 2025, shaking parts of the Caribbean Sea. The tremors were strongly felt in Honduras, as seen in this footage from Olanchito, Yoro. The quake, occurring at 6:23:14 EST at a depth of 10 kilometers, triggered a tsunami advisory for Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. Other affected areas include Haiti, Belize, the Bahamas, Costa Rica, the Cayman Islands, Cuba, Nicaragua, Panama, Guatemala, Honduras, and Mexico. People were alarmed as the ground shook violently, highlighting the immense force of this seismic event. Watch the mesmerizing plug holes of Lady Bower Reservoir in action. These two giant overflow structures, each 80 feet wide, safely channel excess water beneath the dam and into the river. A stunning display of engineering, they create a swirling vortex when the reservoir reaches capacity. An incredible sight to witness. Now let's shift our focus to another significant weather event that has been wreaking havoc in recent days. A powerful low-pressure system has triggered a historic blizzard across Japan, burying cities under record-breaking snowfall. Hokkaido has been hardest hit, with Obihiro recording an astonishing 129 centimeters of snow in just 12 hours, shattering all previous records. This is the heaviest snowfall the city has seen since 1972, leaving vehicles trapped, roads impassable, and transportation in chaos. The relentless cold, fueled by icy air sweeping from the Sea of Japan, has plunged even southern regions like Shikoku and Kyushu to bone-chilling lows of minus 12 degrees Celsius. The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued severe weather warnings, forecasting up to 100 centimeters more snowfall in northwestern Japan and another 50 centimeters in Hokkaido. Two massive low-pressure systems are colliding on either side of the Japanese archipelago, intensifying the brutal winter storm. While the Sapporo Snow Festival remains largely unaffected, travelers face mounting disruptions. Japan Airlines and All Nippon Airways have cancelled dozens of flights, while major expressways, including those in Hokuriku and Maizuru Wakasa, are on the verge of closure. Authorities urge residents to stay indoors, stock up on essentials, and prepare for extended travel delays as Japan braces for more heavy snowfall in the days ahead. Moving to another recent devastating event, on January 7, 2025, a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck the Tibet Autonomous Region near the Nepal border. The earthquake killed at least 126 people and injured many more. More than 1,500 rescue workers have been deployed to search for survivors and provide relief. The epicenter was near Shigatse, a major city in Tibet, causing widespread destruction. Thousands of homes were damaged or destroyed, displacing many residents. The earthquake was felt in Nepal, India, Bhutan, and Bangladesh, with strong tremors reported in Kathmandu, Nepal, causing panic among residents. The impact of the powerful earthquake was felt across the Shigatse region of Tibet, one of the holiest sites in Buddhism, which is home to 800,000 people. The region is administered by Shigatse City, the traditional seat of the Panchen Lama, one of the most important figures in Tibetan Buddhism,